Sa gitna ng nagbabagang sigalot sa gitnang silangan, may ibinibida na naman si US President Donald Trump. Ano kaya ito? Alamin sa agenda report ni Laika Cuevas.
They did something yesterday that was amazing, actually. They gave us a present, and the present arrived today.
Matapos si anunsyo na may pag-uusap na ang Amerika at Iran, sinasabi naman ngayon ni US President Donald Trump na may regalo ang Tehran sa Washington.
And it was a very big present worth a tremendous amount of money. And I'm not going to tell you what that present is.
Is it related?
No, it wasn't nuclear related. It was oil and gas related. And it was a very nice thing they did. But what it showed me is that we're dealing with the right people.
Hindi niya muna ito idinitalye, pero may kinalaman daw ito sa Strait of Hormuz. Dahil iniipit pa rin ito ng Iran, patuloy ang pagsirit ng presyo ng langis. Ramdam na ramdam ito ng buong mundo.
Our trucks are out on the road every day. It used to cost us about $250 to fill up a truck, and now it's closer to $300. And we hesitate to increase our rates. We could do that and pass it on to the customer, but we really try not to because it's so competitive in this area. If we raise our rates, we really risk losing jobs.
Sa ngayon, hindi pa nababanggit ni Trump kung sino sa Iran ang kinakausap niya. Pero nauna na niyang sinabi na hindi ito si Mojtaba Khamenei, ang bagong supreme leader ng Tehran. Ilang opisyal na ng Iran ang nagsabing wala namang pag-uusap sa Estados Unidos. Ang Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps naman may manghang nabanat kay Trump.
Hey Trump, you are fired. You are familiar with this sentence. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
Higit 3,000 nang namamatay mula nang maglunsad ng opensiba ang Israel at Amerika laban sa Iran noong February 28. Para sa agenda, Laika Cuevas, Billionaire News Channel.
Nasa ika-4 na linggo na ang giyera sa Iran at wala pang katiyakan kung kailan ito matatapos. Ngayon may mga ulat na pinaplano na raw ng Amerika ang pagpapadala ng libo-libong sundalo sa gitnang silangan. Kaya naman lalong nababahala si Pope Leo. Anya, huwag na sanang lumala pa ang sigalot.
Voglio rinnovare l'appello.
I want to renew the appeal for a ceasefire, to work for peace but not with weapons, rather through dialogue, truly seeking a solution for everyone.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.